tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following areas in New Jersey: Eastern Monmouth, Western Monmouth, and Middlesex. A tropical storm watch remains in effect for the following areas in New Jersey: Turton, Somerset, and Morris.
That was
The surf zone forecast for the New York City beaches. High rate current risk.
that was very loud. Woke me the heck up. Alright, well there you have it. Tropical storm warning. Guess they don't follow the blackout hours for that one. Alright, see ya.
A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following areas in New York: Putnam and Orange. A tropical storm watch remains in effect for the following areas in New York: Northern Westchester and Rockland, and in New Jersey, Western Passaic, and the following areas in Connecticut: Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex, and Northern New London. The coastal waters forecast from...
Okay, that was random. Alright.
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Northern Queens, Southern Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Northern Nassau, Southern Nassau, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Southern Westchester, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in New Jersey: Eastern Passaic, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Hudson, and the following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, and Southern New London. For the following area in New Jersey: Eastern Monmouth, high surf advisory in effect from...
Alright. That's fantastic.
For the high rate current risk, dangerous rip currents expected. Where? Coastal New Jersey and coastal Delaware.
Alright, time for bed. Finally got him. Now it's time for bed.
Impacts. Dangerous.
Alright.